Hello friends, in this session we are going to see how to troubleshoot Workbench connections related issues while connecting to MySQL. If you face this kind of issues, how we have to resolve, what is the possibility of error that we are going to see. In last session we have discussed and seen while connecting from CMD MySQL in command prompt, which all issue we will get and how to resolve that we have find out. And in this sessions we are going to cover up how we can resolve connections related issues while trying to connect via Workbench. Here I am putting as a test, and the port is like 308, and the default scheme I'm not giving, but I'm unable to connect, fail to connect with Azure, but I'll create this one. Once I'll create, the connections is created. Okay, when I'm trying to open this one, I'm getting your connection attempt failed for root. Okay, unable to connect. Please check MySQL Server is running, or check it's reachable, or just check whether the root IP is safe. Like that we are getting a multiple error. So that we are going to see one by one. First, we have to verify the IP address for this connection. Okay, the IP is not different, it's similar. So for IP address we no need to worry. It's a ping, and we are getting the connections response. This IP we have to see. Unable to connect, this is one error, but our server at IP address is different. We have to see 7.1. This is also unknown. We will find one by one. So before connecting to this, we have to verify whether the services is up or not. That service we have to find help of services.msc. Okay, in MSc we can able to get MySQL. Just need to type M. Here are the services. So just verify that service is running. Yeah, it's running. You can see here the status. Next is we have to check the IP address. Address is once the address is verified, then later we have to check the port and all. In this property, it's automate. That is the reason the IP is switching here and there. The service is running proper. So we need to verify with the password also again, but it is not allowing us to enter into a service. So might be the possibility of IP address or name which we have defined, it's not correct. That we have to verify. So for verifying, the path will be different. This path is for executing a MySQL. It's a tool for connecting MySQL.exe is the connection string for MySQL, and this is the INI file is the locations where an entire entry is pointed. So we have to go ahead and check in INI file entire parameter. With the help of that, we can able to get where actually we are getting a problem. So this is the INI file. Okay, so yeah, you can see here the port which we have defined is 3306. That is the reason here we are getting a problem. Okay, and you can see here TCP IP port listening on 33060. So this is the port where it is listened, so no need to worry on that. So we have to change the port for connecting to MySQL. I hope this will resolve 3306. Okay, first we will try with this. For altering, you have to right click and go to edit. Just keep 06, do a test connection. Yeah, it is working. So now we have to put a password. Access denied using password. Yes, so might be I'm not giving a proper password, so that things we can able to get that log also here. If we are not able to get a proper pop, that things we can get under data. Yeah, this you can see error file. This is the error log file. So here you can get the error details. So access is denied because of password. Using password, the access is denied. Before this, the access was denied not because of password. So here it is showing clearly the password not is the main issues for earlier. Earlier one the issue is related to port. Now the issue is related to password. So now we have to change the password. We have to rectify a correct password. So that's okay, my name. Successfully connection made. The parameter defined for this connection. Okay. You can see now we can able to connect the server without any issues. So in these sessions we have covered up how to troubleshoot connections related issues in MySQL work using Workbench. So hope you have enjoyed my sessions and you learn a lot of things in these sessions. So in next chapter we will meet with import export and backup method.